Hi, my name is Robert Noon, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So in this video, I will show you how much money does Make Something make on YouTube. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. Make Something started his YouTube channel back on May 9, 2013. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 415,000. Total amount of views are at 32 million. Average daily subs is currently 269, and monthly subs is currently 8,072. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day, and this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is 25,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. Daily income is $75. Monthly income is $2,250. Annual revenue. This is going to be an estimate. Income is $27,000. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $14,850. Now also, Make Something also sells merchandise, and he sells it very well. And these are some shirts that he currently sells on his website. So currently, Make Something has 415,000 subscribers, and let's say 1% of his subscribers buys a shirt. That's 4,150. And the average price point of a shirt is currently $20, and $10 profit per shirt sold. So 4,150 times 10 is 41,500 per month. And 41,500 times 12 is $498,000 per year. Thank you guys. You guys check out the free audiobook. Link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.